As a Raytheon partner, I realize how critical it is that we are not only cost competitive and efficient, but most importantly have the quality that Raytheon is looking for.
This is about changing our culture to work with our suppliers rather than manage them.
Once we identify a supplier that we're going to work with, we ask them to provide us some pre-work data. And then using their facts and data, we go in to identify gaps in the process that can help them systemically with regards to lean manufacturing and engineering and quality.
We approached our supply base from a Six Sigma standpoint rather than from a supply chain management standpoint.
They'll see reduced waste, reduced cost, and improved cycle time. They'll benefit from increased business opportunities as a strategic supplier to Raytheon.
The warfighter depends on Raytheon's enabling technology each and every day. We understand the importance of the supplier to contribute to that with quality, reliable products.
Through the supplier engagement program, we've seen a number of benefits, such as improved quality and overall improved process.
The engagement program is a week-long engagement with a 2 to 3 day workshop
where you've taken them through understanding the sequence of events that it takes in order to build the product.
Working with Raytheon is a very collaborative partnership. They came in with their ideas and we got to use our ideas as well to make an effective process flow.
To an engagement, we have received feedback that it was well worth their time and they were glad that they participated.
Our company has really changed, and now the culture is all about continuous improvement.
Taking the time now to look at the processes and make them more efficient will help in the end to have better quality and better on-time delivery for Raytheon.
It felt like one team. They couldn't tell the difference between the Raytheon people and the supplier people. We were all truly working together to improve the process.